So you might be in a situation where you're wanting to go ahead and actually factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So the very first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings of your Galaxy Watch. So just scroll down until you see your Galaxy Watch settings right here. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to basically scroll down as much as you can until you get to the very bottom. Now you want to scroll up from the bottom a little bit until you see your general settings, which is right here. So tap on general settings and you'll come into this next panel. Now what you're going to want to do here is you basically want to scroll all the way down until you see a little panel that says reset. So here what you can do is you can just go and tap on reset right there. And it's going to say if you reset, all personal information from your watch will be removed, so on and so forth. So this is basically where we're going to want to be at. So now what you can do is you can go and tap on reset. Another panel is going to come up and it's going to say the backup watch data, whatever. You can click continue. Now, this is very important. If you have not done a backup of your watch or you need a backup of your watch or whatever the case is, then you may want to go ahead and do a backup of your watch as of right now. So just go through, back up your watch, back up all the data that you have in your watch and everything like that. Because if you don't, well, then that's basically going to be the main problem here. So back up everything you can, and that is essentially going to be the main thing you want to do in this specific example. So now, when you're done, you want to go and click reset, and from this point on, your Galaxy Watch is going to go ahead and reset, and everything from this watch is going to be deleted, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. That's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.